Okay, so super excited because yesterday we went axe throwing for the first time at the Axe Lair in Upland, California. And babe, what did you think?
I thought it was pretty dope.
It's pretty dope. What, like, why did we do this? How did we do this? All the good stuff.
All right, so we drove there. We went for my cousin's birthday. We went with a nice group. I think there was like 8 of us, yeah?
Yeah, it was like 8 of us. And they gave us like a quick little tutorial on how to throw the axes. Really big knife. And they gave us like an hour, and I think it was like $20 a person, and you got to throw, and we took turns. There was even like a booklet of like games of like how you can score yourselves and kind of go against each other.
Just call me Action Jackson.
I also learned that there's different parts to a axe. They had a picture of the axe and like the different parts of it, so that was really cool. And then yeah, what else happened?
We did single-handed and double-handed throws.
Yeah, single-handed, double-handed throws. I feel like single-handed I need a lot more practice with all of them. I think one time it actually stuck, and it was in the side. It wasn't a bullseye, but it was really close. But one time it stuck out of all of the throws that I had. But I think double-handed I have the most control over. But yeah. What about you? What did you like better?
I think double-handed is my better control for me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was a good time. So if you've never been like axe throwing, what do you say? Would you recommend it?
Oh yeah, definitely. Do it with the kids. Do it with your husband. Not the grandma. Maybe the grandma.
Maybe the grandma. She's like feisty and got it going. So yeah, definitely check it out. So I'm Tiara, aka T, your wine diva. This handsome gentleman right here. This is my boo. Who are you?
I am Jay.
Mr. J, and we say go axe throwing. Definitely check out Axe Lair in Upland if you are in the California area. I hear they're even like looking to get like a liquor license, so like hey now, look out for that. Have an awesome sauce rest of your day. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this content, please like, subscribe, share it with your friends. I would totally appreciate it. Peace out, Cub Scout. Bye.